Hola amigos! If you're watching this video, you probably want to learn some basics so you can start having conversations in Spanish. Maybe you're planning a trip to a Spanish-speaking country, or maybe you want to connect with family members, or maybe you just think it's super cool to learn a new language, like Spanish. Whatever your reason, we're here to help. So, you want to learn Spanish, right? So let's start at the beginning of the conversation. Greetings. Hello. Hey. Hi. Good morning. What's up? Just like in English, there are so many ways to greet someone in Spanish. You can say hola, which means hello. You can say buenos días, which means good morning. Or if you want to be extra informal, you can say qué tal, which literally means what's up. Now that we know how to greet someone, let's move on to the next step in the conversation, introductions. When you meet someone new, you'll probably want to tell them your name, or give them a fake name, that's fine. Either way, you'll want to start off like this. Me llamo Luz. ¿Cómo te llamas? That literally means I call myself Luz. What do you call yourself? Now you've made a new friend. When you're getting to know someone, you have to be able to ask them questions like where they're from, if they're single, you know, the important stuff. Learning some common question words in Spanish will help you have better conversations. It's as easy as who, what, where, when, why, and how. Who, quién, what, qué, where, dónde, when, cuándo, why, por qué, how, Cómo. Now, let's go over some key questions you might want to ask your new boyfriend, friend. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿A qué te dedicas? What do you do for work? ¿Por qué te estoy haciendo tantas preguntas? Why am I asking you so many questions? Eating and drinking are the best ways to learn about other cultures, so it's super important that you learn how to navigate through restaurants, bars, or coffee shops in Spanish. Here are the basics. Yo quiero unos tacos means I'll have some tacos. ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Means how much does this cost? La cuenta por favor means check please. You'll also want to review the Spanish numbers so you don't order 12 beers instead of 2. I mean, unless you really want 12, that's... You do you. To finish off this Spanish crash course, we'll leave you with a few more useful phrases to help you have basic Spanish conversations. When you bump into someone on the sidewalk, say, perdón, excuse me. When a kind soul points you in the right direction, say, gracias, thank you. When nature calls, say, ¿Dónde está el baño? Which means, where is the bathroom? And when you need a break from speaking Spanish, you can say, Hablas inglés? Which means, do you speak English? And last but certainly not least, when you meet an attractive stranger, ask, ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Which means, what's your phone number? Hope you found this video super helpful. Adios! That means bye.